Hi, and welcome to the Task Management Settings tutorial. To view and adjust your settings, navigate to the Task Management feature. Click the Options icon in the top right corner and select Settings. On the first tab, you can decide who will have the ability to create tasks through their mobile app, whether it's just admins or selected users. On the second tab, you can adjust your personal notification preferences, both for tasks assigned to you and created by you. Click Save at the end to confirm. Each employee can adjust his own notification preferences from the mobile app. Navigate to the Task Management feature and click on the Settings icon in the top right corner and adjust your preferences accordingly. Thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out at any time.